So we are talking about what? Properties of light. First property, rectilinear propagation of light. Second, reflection of light. Third, refraction of light. Okay, so I said in my class many types of properties of light. Okay, refraction and interference. Okay, refractive index. Refractive, yes, index. Critical angle. Critical angle. Diffraction. Polarization. Polarization. Okay? Yes. Zeeman effect. Yes. Raman effect. These are the properties of light. Rectilinear propagation of light, reflection of light, refraction, interference, refractive index, critical angle, diffraction, polarization, Zeeman effect, Raman effect, and laser light. Okay? Yes, laser light. These are the properties of light. So, I said, what is a reflection? Please, what? Yes, reflection is the one of the property of light. Okay? Yes. So, already I have explained about light. Okay? So, we are going to learn about movement of the light on the plane surface. Okay? Or irregular surface. Surfaces. Surfaces means it's a flat or irregular. Right? Okay. So, next, what is rectilinear? I will explain about these three. First property of light, rectilinear propagation of light. What is rectilinear propagation of light? Rectilinear propagation of light, it shows the direction of the light. What is the direction of light? Yes. It moves in the straight direction. Light always moves in the straight direction. So this property is called rectilinear. So rectilinear gives information about the direction of light. So what is the direction of light? Straight direction. Always light move in the straight direction. This is the first property of light. Second property, reflection of light. Okay? Reflection of, yes, light. See, first of all, reflection of light. See, see, this is plane surface. Okay? This is plane surface. Solid, opaque. This is normal. It's a line which touches to the any point of a surface. That is called a normal. That is imaginary line. Okay? This is called normal. Suppose this is called O. Yeah. What we are going to learn? Reflection. Okay? So, this is one point. Means source of light. Maybe bulb, maybe tube light, whatever it is. So, this is source of light. So, when the light ray comes from the incident point, this source of light, okay, this source of light is called incident point. Incident, yeah, point. Okay, when the light ray comes from the incident point, okay, suppose this point is called P and this point is called Q. So this PQ ray is called incident ray. Yeah, incident ray. Right? Incident ray. Yes? So what is incident ray? The ray which comes from the P to Q. What is P? P is an incident point where light ray comes, okay, and meet and interacting with the boundary Q. Okay, this is called P to Q is called incident ray. So when we can say incident ray, when the light ray comes from the incident point and meet and interacting with the boundary Q, that is called a incident ray. Okay, so this is called first medium. This is called first medium and this is called second medium. Okay, this normally is separating two medium, first medium and the second medium. So what happens when the light ray move in the second medium? Okay, see, so it moves in the same direction. Okay, so this is called QR. Okay, QR. So this is called reflected ray. Yes, reflected ray. QR is called a reflected ray. Okay, what is called reflected? So what is reflected ray? The outgoing ray after reflection, okay, moving in the second medium, that is called reflected ray. Right? Understand about the incident ray and the reflected ray? Okay. Why we are going to understanding about the incident and reflected ray? Because we are learning the chapter of reflection at different